You don't need to afraid of getting hurt. And you have to always ready to sacrifice some blood. You always ready. No matter what, no matter bro, I can't do it. It's so hurtful. Fuck it. You have to be. You have to get hurt by people, by society. Don't afraid of that. Physically, mentally, always ready. Make your body trained so that the body can bear the hurt. Always ready to sacrifice your blood. Practice as much as you can. Make your sleepless. Live your life without sleep. And one day you will die because of sleep deprivation. So what I'm saying that yes, you have to sacrifice some blood. That doesn't mean you will sacrifice all your blood and don't do that. It is ridiculous. Okay. Don't go to extreme. I'm not talking about extreme. I'm simply saying always ready to sacrifice some blood, not every blood, every drop of your body. No. I'm just saying always ready for sacrifice some blood. Most of people will be afraid. I give you example what I'm talking about. I will give you example like MMA. You would say, bro, what the fuck? It is so difficult. It is so hurtful. If anybody punch it, they bleed. So don't afraid of that. You always ready. If anybody in your life and try to provoking you or bullying you, so always ready to fight. Learn how to fight, my friend. Go join some MMA club, boxing, karate. I don't think karate works, but boxing or MMA, you don't need to learn too much. Enough so that you can protect yourself, your mother, sister, anybody. So always ready for these situations because these situations can come anytime. Then and you have to always prepare for that. You can't say, bro, I didn't learn it. Don't give excuses. You have time to learn. And it will also build discipline, consistency, efforts. And you can also build your career if you practice so much. Take an example like you going for MMA to protect yourself, but you love it, fighting. And you said, I will make career in this. So it will also benefit you for you. You can go to gym. It also builds body, your discipline, consistency. And you can apply these discipline, consistency in your career, in your work. Anyway, my simply saying always ready to get hurt, always ready to sacrifice some blood, sacrifice some sweat. You don't need to sacrifice, you have to sweat to become so sweaty, work so much hard like you become so sweaty and you are fucking tired of exhausted. Fuck bro, I can't do it. It is so, but even though you know that I'm feeling exhausted, but you have to do it no matter what. No matter what how much exhausted you are doesn't matter. Fuck it. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Nobody gives a fuck. So you have to understand. You have to sacrifice some blood in order to get something. Most people are afraid of this. They can't sacrifice some blood. They are really in a comfortable zone. They can't do anything. Like, bro, I can't do it. I can't. What the fuck? You are a man or female as well. You are a man and there are also women. Always remember, you are a man and you are a woman. You can do whatever you want in your life. Lots of people. Take an example like Jhansi Ki Rani. Can you imagine? Take an example. In men, there is hundreds of examples. That's why I'm saying, always remember your ancestors, what they did. If they don't afraid of those things, then why the hell you are afraid of those fucking things? I don't think it is beneficiary for you. Always ready to sacrifice some sleep, leave some days without sleep. It is so difficult. That's why nobody is rich, calm, disciplined, consistent, because it's need discomfort, effort, constant effort, not 1 day effort or 2 day effort or 1 year effort. No, constant effort. It needs. So if you think, bro, I'm really afraid. I'm really afraid of sacrificing some blood. It is not in my genes. Shut up. It is in your genes. Lots of fighters fought for their freedom. And you are saying you can't sacrifice some blood, you can't sacrifice this and that. You can't sacrifice food. I will not talk too much about this, sacrifice this and that. In the end, it's upon you. Do you really want to sacrifice or not? And if your life is very comfortable and you're feeling really boring life, if you really want to make interesting, you can do these things. You can go beyond your limits. But if you are comfortable, you have enough food, shelter, and everything, I don't think you will embrace discomfort, because you would think, bro, I have already everything. Why the hell I will do this and that? I don't need to push my limits. Why the hell I need to push my limits? I have everything. I don't need these things. And that is the main thing, man. Lots of people have these things, but you're not on the top of the top. You have to be top 1%. And it really needs discipline and consistency, always giving constant effort and persistence, not giving up. I always say only 2 things will happen. Number 1, you win. Number 2, you will win, but you stop. You stop before winning. You stop. You think, bro, I can't do it. I'm not getting results. I'm not seeing results. That's why you quit before winning. That is the most important thing you have to put in your mind always. And always ready for sacrifice some blood, sacrifice some food, sacrifice some not clothes.